everyone. Welcome to my class. Of course, this is Miss Chanel reminding you that to learn math is to do math. So this will be all about capacity, volume, and speed under chapter 3 measurement. So this is our lesson 3.4. For today's lessons, we will accomplish two squad goals. First is to solve the volume and capacity of an object. Second one, we will solve for the average speed of an object. So now, let's accomplish it. Before we proceed with our discussion, let's have this problem opener. First, a boy shares a liter of soda with his friends. If he fills each glass with 150 milliliter or ml of soda, how many glasses can he fill? Second, how much water will a 40 centimeter by 20 centimeter by 10 centimeters tin pan contains? Lastly, car A travels 320 kilometers in 4 hours, and car B travels 333 kilometers in 4.5 hours. Which car travels faster? Again, this three problem opener. We will answer this after having the discussion about volume and capacity and speed. So let's now have the discussion. Last meetings or last discussions were about the fundamental quantities like the length, mass and weight, time, and temperature. There's three more fundamental quantities, but we haven't discussed it since these are the only quantities we need for this lesson. Now we will have what we call derived quantities. So what is derived quantities? Or what are the derived quantities? For this lesson we will have volume and capacity and speed. That's our goal, right? So when we say derived quantities, these are the combination of the units of the fundamental quantities. Like for volume and capacity, we combine mass and weight and then the volume. Okay, and for speed, we combine the length or the distance traveled by and your time. So let's proceed with this first derived quantity, volume and capacity. We somehow interchanged these two, the volume and capacity. So what is the difference between these two? When we say volume, it refers to how much space a region takes up. While capacity, it refers to how much a container will hold. For example, this glass, the capacity of this glass is 300 milliliters. But here, as you can see, this is the volume and it changed depending on the amount of your water. Okay? Again, capacity, how much a container will hold. While volume pertains to how much space a region takes up or how much this liquid takes up. So volume, it is measured in three dimensions: length, width, and height. Thus, it is a derived quantity because it has the length, the width, and the height. Another, please do take note that a volume of 100 cubic centimeters is equal to, here, this one, there's a visual representation of your 1000 cubic centimeters, and this is equal to 1 liter. Please take note of this one. So, even if the volume is in this unit, this one, centimeter, and centimeter is a unit under length, but liter is a unit under volume. Please take note of this one. 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter. We will use this one in answering the word problem that we had on our first slide. So let's have an example of word problem. Bea has 2-liter bottle of juice. How many glasses can it fill with 210 milliliters of juice? So to answer this one, as you can see, the bottle of juice is 2 liters, right? But the glasses it will be filling in is in the unit milliliter. So what we need to do first is to convert 2 liters to millimeters. Let's write it here. Convert 2 liters to milliliters. Milliliters. Okay, so I told you, or I teach you before, I taught you before with the, could you still remember the King Henry, how King Henry died? Yes, we will use that one. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Again, this is the prefixes in metric system, right? And we will just add our unit here. So we got kiloliter, hectoliter, alright, decaliter, your liters, and then deciliter, centiliter, and milliliter, right? So from liter, how many decimal places to reach milliliter? From here, this is your liters, right? So 1, 2, 3. So we will move 3 places to the right. So 2, write your given number here, 2, and then here's his decimal point. Just move it 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. And there you have it. You have 2,000, copy your unit milliliters. Okay, so 2 liters is equal to, I write it here, 2 liters is equal to 2,000 milliliters. And now that we converted already the 2 liters to milliliters, what to do next? We erase this one. Again, let's read the question. How many glasses can it fill with 210 milliliter of juice? Having 2,000 milliliters, and you only need to fill up each glasses with 210 milliliters. Therefore, the operation that we will be using is division. Here's the step 1, converting. For step 2, we divide. So 2,000 milliliters over 210 milliliters. Input this in your calculator. You will have approximately 9.52. Final answer. Thus, Bea can peel how many glasses with a 2 liter bottle of juice. Here's your final answer. Thus, Bea can feel, just get the whole number, right? Because you need to fill up a glass of water with 210 liters. So you can only fill 9 glasses. And may pasobra pa with this one, with this decimal numbers, 0.52. 9 glasses with juice. And here's your final answer. I hope you understand this one because we will proceed with our example number 2. Example number 2. A pool is 15 meters long and 10 meters wide. If it is to be filled with water to a uniform depth of 1.5 meters, how many liters of water are needed? For this one, it is always important that when we are getting the capacity, we take note of this conversion factor. 1,000, let's write it here, take note. Take note of this one. And let me have the color green. Take note that 1,000, what's that one? 1,000 cubic centimeter or centimeter to the third power or centimeter cube is equal to 1 what? 1 liter, right? Since the unit for the pool or the dimension of pool is given in length, therefore we will use this conversion factor, okay? Now, since we only know this one, centimeter or cubic centimeter is equal to a liter, therefore we need to convert meters into centimeters. So let's write it here. For your first step is we convert meters into centimeters, right? So again, let's write here the mnemonics. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. So from this, your basic unit, since this is your meter, right? Meter to centimeter. Okay, how many places to reach centimeter? 1, 2, 2 decimal places, or you move your decimal point 2 places to the right. Okay, so let's convert every dimensions in here. So we have 15 meters. Let's move this. Yeah, let's write it here. Let's have this scratch paper here. Here's your decimal place, decimal point, and then move this twice to the right. 1, 2. Fill up this with 0. You will have 1,500 centimeter. Okay, so here's your first dimension. Next, let me have another color. I get to be green. So let's have 10 meters. And as you have observed, we just added 2 zeros in here, so we'll just add it. We'll do that pattern also in 10 meters. So 10 meters is equal to 1,000 centimeter. Next, we have 1.5. Let me have color violet. 1.5 meters deep. Okay, so again, you just move your decimal point 2 places to the right. So 1, 2, then add zeros in here. Therefore, 1.5 meters is equal to 150 centimeters. Okay, there you have it. We have converted every meters into centimeter. Next, what to do next is we apply your formula in getting the volume. So in getting the volume, V is equal to, wait, before I use the abbreviation. So volume is equal to length times width times height. So you just simply multiply these 3 dimensions to each other. Have it here. V is equal to length times width times height. Again, we just substitute this formula with our given. We will have the length will be 1,000. Let's write it here. Volume is equal to 1,000. 1,500. 1,500 centimeter times 1,000 centimeters times 150 centimeters. Inputting this in your calculator, you will have 1,500 times 1,000. Therefore, you will have 225 million. Let me write it here. 225 million. This is thousands, and this is million. Million what? Centimeter times centimeter times centimeter. That will be cubic centimeter, right? Okay. Are we done with this already? No, not yet. Since we have this one, the take note here, 1,000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter. And that will be the question. That is the question as well, right? How many liters of water are needed? So third step, we divide 225 million cubic centimeter by 1000 cubic centimeter. Let me write it here and let me use color. I use every color already. Black. Okay. Again, 225 million over, sorry for that one, lumiko siya. 225 million over 1,000. Let me write the unit as well. Cubic centimeter divided by 1000 cubic centimeter. Okay? So for us to easily divide this one, we just cancel out zeros. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, your final answer will be 225,000. 225,000. And what's the unit that you will be using? Since we divided this by 1000 cubic centimeter, since that is the conversion factor to convert cubic centimeter into liters, therefore 225,000 liters. And this will be your final answer. Okay, so you need a lot of water to fill up a pool. This wide, no? This long. So you need 225,000 liters. So imagine that capacity. I hope you understand this example because okay, so kindly answer this for 5 minutes. And now that we're done discussing your um, volume and capacity, kindly answer the problem opener for 5 minutes. You may pause this video. Okay, so let's reveal the answer. I hope you're done answering your seat work. So let's have number one. E-boy shares a liter of soda with his friends. If he fills each glass with 150 ml or milliliters of soda, how many glasses can he fill? So just like the previous example, to answer this one, we need to convert one unit to another for them to have same unit. So let's write the given first. We got a liter of soda, meaning that is 1 liter. And then another one, 150 milliliters. Okay. So, again, we need to convert 1 liter into milliliters. Convert 1 liter into milliliters. To convert this one, if you know the conversion factor, it is easy for you. But if not, again, you may just use the King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk, right? From liters to milliliters. So 1, 2, 3. So you move 3 places to the right. Right? 1 here. And then move your decimal place, decimal point 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. Anong nangyari dito? Anyway, just fill up this with zeros. Your final answer will be 1,000. Okay, let's write it here. 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. Okay, then let me erase this one. Okay. After converting 1 liter into milliliters, now let's solve. Let's evaluate this one. So the operation that we will be using is division. So we just divide 1,000 milliliters into 150 milliliters. Solving this, you'll have approximately 6.67, but this is not yet the final answer. Again, the question is how many glasses can he fill if each glass has 150 ml of soda. Since this one, and so we're just gonna need the whole number. Okay, So boy or boy can fill 6 glasses. Okay, 6 glasses with 150 ml of soda with his 1 liter of soda. Okay, do not be disturbed by this decimal because this decimal is not yet one whole. Therefore, this is just part. Hindi pa siya makakompleto ng 150 ml. Okay, ayan. So, kindly check your work if you got this correctly. Next, let's have number 2. How much water will 40 centimeters by 20 centimeters by 10 centimeters tin pan contain? Again, take note of the formula. Volume is equal to length times width times height. And the conversion factor that we will be using. We got 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter. Okay? After having this, you may now proceed with the steps. So first step, no need to convert since the given is already in centimeters. So let's proceed with another step. Let's substitute the given to our formula. You got the volume is equal to length times width times height, or volume is equal to 40 centimeters by or times 20 centimeters times 10 centimeters. Multiplying this 40 times 20 times 10, you'll have 8,000. 8,000 cubic centimeter. Is this the final answer? No, not yet. Because volume or the metrics unit for volume is supposed to be in liter. So you need to convert 8,000 cubic centimeter into liters. So you may just simply divide this by 1,000. Okay, 1,000 cubic centimeters. And then you'll have 8,000 divided by 1,000, you have 8. And the unit will be liters since you already divided this by 1,000. And there you have it. The answer for number 2 is 8 liters. Check your work. If you got this correctly, good job. I guess you're now ready for your quiz 1.3.